Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious popsicle stick ice cream. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients and tools. Next, prepare your ice cream mixture, whether it's from scratch or a softened store-bought pint. Then, carefully pour the mixture into molds and insert the sticks. Finally, freeze them until they are completely solid, ensuring a delightful treat. To begin, choose your ice cream base. This could be a homemade custard, a fruit puree, or even a softened store-bought ice cream. You'll also need popsicle molds, which come in various shapes and sizes, and wooden popsicle sticks. Don't forget any fun additions like chopped fruit, sprinkles, or chocolate chips. Make sure all your equipment is clean and ready to go. Now it's time to mix your ingredients. Blend them until smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. If using a store-bought pint, soften it slightly for easier pouring. Carefully fill each popsicle mold, leaving about 1/4 of an inch of space at the top for expansion during freezing. Then, gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each filled mold, making sure it stands upright. Once your molds are filled and sticks are in place, transfer them to the freezer. They will need to freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours, or ideally overnight, to become completely solid. When ready to enjoy, run the outside of the molds under warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds. This helps release the ice cream easily. Then, simply pull them out and savor your homemade frozen delights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.